Hey everyone, welcome back to an Easy Touch video with Chlorine King. Today we're going to show you how to program your pool or spa, and we're going to do that with schedules. Think of schedules like timers, and it basically allows us to run the equipment every day, like pool pump, pool light, pool cleaner, stuff like that. An Easy Touch circuit can be set to switch on and off every day, or if you want something to run just one day a week, like you want the cleaner to run on Wednesday, we can make that work as well. Now, up to 12 total programs can be created for all the circuits combined, and one circuit can have a maximum of 9 programs. So let's go ahead and get in the menu, show you how it works, and set some schedules just for fun. So the first thing we want to do is go to Menu, scroll down to Schedules, hit Select. And now these are the devices we have in the pool, are programmed right now, and then the one next to the pool light is a specific program for that pool light. So let's just go into Spa and see what's here. So right now there's Schedule. There's a couple different modes you can do. You can do Schedule. You can do None, of course. You can do Delete, which basically means you're going to delete that current program. You can do Once Only. And Once Only is a program that allows the day of the week and hour to be set for that specific one time. Then you have Egg Timer. Think of this as a countdown timer in a program that could be set from 1 minute to 23 hours and 59 minutes. And there's a don't stop option, which allows the circuit to run continuously until you come out and manually turn it off, or use a spa remote to turn it off. So let's say we want to create a schedule for the spa pump or spa mode. Select Schedule, and then this is the start time. So say we want to run at 9:30, hit Select, go up to 30, and obviously if you hold the button down, it'll go through the numbers pretty quickly. So 9:30 a.m. And say we want this to run to 3:30 p.m. Now, right now it's saying p.m., but if you just cycle through the hours, it'll go to a.m., and now we're going back to p.m. And then 3:30, again, just hold the button, see how much faster it goes. So now we can choose the day of the weeks. If we don't want it to run on Sunday, we can go ahead and remove the hash mark above the Sunday, and then we can, let's just have it run Monday through Friday. So that is that. That is how you program a schedule for the system. So say you want to do something else for the cleaner, for instance, and we want this to be an egg timer. So you have to add new. Hit Select again. Egg timer. So right now it's running for 12 hours. Usually cleaners take about 4 hours to clean the floor of the pool. So go ahead and select that, and then that's that. So that is a new schedule we have for the cleaner. So anytime you want the cleaner to run, turn on the cleaner and it will go ahead and run it for 4 hours. So that's basically how you program your pump, and then you just go through adding, a pool pump for the pool mode there, and then create a schedule, have it run the days you want and the times you want, and that's how you get your pool set up. So that's how you run the programs for your pool and spa. As always, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.